Hello guys, today we're going to be opening a dead stock orange kill hoodie. Let's get right into it. Alright, I found this bad boy on Brailled. Got it for the sick price of $550, which is pretty good price for it. Ooh, alright. Right off the bat, this is a really thin piece. It feels like this would be great in the summer probably. It's like the screen print. The screen print, as always, is looking amazing. I just love this 3D print. Let's take a look at the back. Oh my gosh. Yes, they absolutely killed it on this one. This just looks absolutely amazing. You know, we have this down the sleeve. That looks pretty good. Overall, I have to say, I'm just really happy with this. Everything looks to be good. This is an absolute dead stock piece. Let's go try it on. Alright. I bought an XL. It looks to fit. Alright. I think it looks pretty good on me. Fits me how an XL normally does in Revenge. Nice crop down here. You still got the waistband. That's how you know that this thing's legitimate. You have to look for a waistband and drawstrings. On the fake ones, you'll see that they cheap out and they don't put in the waistband and they don't put in the drawstrings. I mean, it feels really comfortable on. I could see me wearing this like probably every single day. And if you look down the arm, like, I don't know, dude. That's a look right there. It looks so dope. I don't really know what else to say. This is a great piece. I just really like how it fits me and how it looks. I feel like I can dress it up a lot of ways and just have a lot of fun with it. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody.